Are you running out of storage on Google Photos? Then in this video, I will show you the best way to clean up your Google Photos storage by deleting duplicates, blurry and unwanted photos to free up space quickly without losing any important photo. And this can be done by using your iPhone or Android. Now here I am using Android phone. So I will go ahead and open Google Photos. I will tap on the profile icon here. And at the moment I have used 11.41 gigabyte out of 15 gigabyte. I will go to manage storage, and if you see from here, Google Photos is taking most of the space. So here I can see large photos and videos is taking up 5.6 gigabyte. There are screenshots, blurry photos and other apps also. So what I will do is I will go to large photos and videos, and you can see the videos and photos will be arranged according to the space they have taken. So I can select any video that I want and then move to trash and then allow. So in this way I can gain some space. Similarly, I will go to screenshots and then I will delete those screenshots which I don't need. Select it and tap on move to trash and move to trash. Similarly, I will go back and I will go to blurry photos and delete those photos which are blurry and which I don't need. I will again go back and go to other apps. Now these photos and videos are saved by using other applications such as WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. So I can select any photos that I don't need and select move to trash and then move to trash again. Select allow. So in this way you will be able to gain more space. And here you can go to this option clean up in Gmail and Drive. And here also you have the option to see large photos and videos. Choose them and then delete them. Go to large drive files, and these are other videos and documents that are taking space in your Google Drive. So select those documents and then delete them. Select I understand and then permanently delete. Again go back, and similarly you have these other options, emails with large attachment, spam emails. You can go inside and delete them. So the more space you make free in Google Drive, the more space you have for Google Photos also. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.